Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Look at here children, the page was so colorful, isn't it? They're having a lot of colorful images, isn't it? Okay, let's look at the picture carefully children. Okay, first read the heading. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Okay, just read the heading carefully children. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Okay, listen here, there are some words as given in the box. Okay, using the words in the box, we have to complete the word here. Okay, first we have to look at the picture here. Just look at the picture, having a beautiful tree. In the beautiful tree, some bird has been constructed a net, isn't it? Some bird built the nest. Okay, in the next there is a bird, isn't it? Just see the picture carefully children. Okay, listen, in the tree there is a nest. Okay, this is a picture, look at carefully. This is a tree. In a tree some bird built the nest. Okay, let's see the sentence. The nest is in the, this is a nest. The nest, where is the nest? Tell me, where is the nest? The nest is in the leaf or tail or boat or a bead or a nail or tree. Yes, tree. So shall I write a tree? Yes. T, tell me the spelling for tree. T, R, E, tree. Listen here, two vowels are comes together, isn't it? The last is the session we have seen, no? Two vowels are coming together. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is a leaf. Okay, leaf, it's looking in red green color. Okay, the dash is green. Here what is a green? Okay, let's tell. This is a leaf. Leaf is green, our tail is green, our boat is green, our bead is green, nail is green, or tree is green. Which is green here? This picture, you want to look at this picture only. Yes, which one is looking green? Yes, leaf is green. Okay, let's write the leaf here. Just write tell the spelling to me. L, E, A, N, F. Leaf. Okay, let's move to this one. The fox. This is a fox. Okay, what is this? This is a fox, we know. They ask the question here. Just let's look at here. They ask the question here. What is this? This is, yes, this is tail. Very good, very good. The fox has a tail. Let's look at here whether the tail has been here. Leaf, no. Tail, yes, the tail is here. Okay, here boat not, bead not, nail it's not will come, tree will not come, only the tail will come. Tell me the spelling for tail. T, A, I, L, tail. Okay, here also two vowel words comes together, isn't it children? Two vowel word comes together, and in leaf also the two vowels word comes together. Okay, let's look at this picture. She has red fingers, red finger dash. She has red finger dash. She having a red finger. What is this? She's leaf or tail or boat or a bead or nail or tree. She has a red finger. Yes, very good. She has a red finger. Nails. Very good. This is a nails. Okay. Just tell me the spelling for the nails. N, A, I, L. S has been already given. Okay. She having a red nail. Okay. Okay. Let's see the next two. Okay. See here. This is a bead. Okay, this is a bead. The bead has been given here. Okay, you able to see this bead? Yes. The chain has a beads. Yes, has been given. The bead is here. Beads. Okay, the chain has a beads. Okay, tell me the spelling for beads. B, E, A, D. Yes, beads. Okay, let's move to this picture. Listen carefully. Yeah, dash is on the stream. This is, what is this? Yes, this is a boat. Let's check whether the boat has been given in the box or not. This is a leaf, tail. This is a boat. Okay, the boat has been given in the box. Okay, but correct. Yeah, boat is on the stream. Okay, let's tell me the spelling for the boat. B-O-A-T, boat. A boat. Okay. So in this exercise we have to just look at the picture and we have to find out the answer from the box, isn't it? This is the nest is in the tree, T-R-E-E, tree. The leaf is green, L-E-A-F, leaf. The fox has a tail, T-A-I-L, tail. She has red finger nails, N-A-I-L-S, nails. The chain has beads, B-E-A-D-S, beads. A boat is on the stream, B-O-A-T, boat. Okay, children, do you enjoy this exercise? Let's move to the next one. Okay, let's look at the next exercise, children. Don't be lazy, children. Just cheer up. Cheer up. We are doing very colorful exercise, isn't it? Why are you getting so lazy? Just cheer up, children. Let's move to the next one. Just read the heading. Fill in the missing letters to describe each picture. Fill in the missing letter. We are going to fill the missing letter to describe the each picture. Okay, let's see. First picture is, what is this? You know, what is this? Yes, this is duck. Okay, just tell me the spelling for duck. The first two letter has been given there. D-U, isn't it? D-U, duck. K, yes, C, K, duck. K, duck, isn't it? D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, let's move to this picture, children. This is not a chicken or a hen. This is a chick. The same sound is coming, isn't it? For the duck we have put in the same letter will become here. C K, chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Okay, double C. The C also having the same sound and the K also having a same sound. But this is a longer pronunciation, so we are using the C and K. Okay, let's move to this picture. Okay, what is this? This is truck. T-R-U has been given. Okay, what we have to write? K. Yes, C-K, truck. Okay, children. Okay, let's look at this picture, children. What is this? L-I, then lick. Okay, C-K, lick. L-I-C-K, lick. Okay, children. Okay, let's go to the next picture, children. What is this? They have put on a just tick here. Okay, tick. T-I-K. Yes, same sound. C-K, tick. Okay, let's see this picture. This is sock. Yes, this is a sock. It's not a socks because only one socks is there, isn't it? If it having a pair, we can say it's a socks. Okay, this is a one means we have to say sock. C-K, sock. Okay, let's see the next picture. Okay, look at this picture, children. This is a brick. Okay, using the brick we can construct our homes, isn't it? Okay, B-R-I, brick. C-K, brick. Okay, just tell me, this is a chopstick, isn't it? The Chinese people used to eat it using this chopstick. Okay, but chop is not here, only a stick is available. S-T-I, stick. C-K, stick. Okay, let's tell me, this is a candle, but this is a wick. Okay, this is a wick. W-I, wick. C K wick. Okay, let's see this picture. This is rock. R O C K, rock. Okay, listen children, listen carefully. In this exercise we have done so far the ending letter CK. Okay, then in every word the ending letter will be the CK. Listen here carefully. For the duck, D U C K, duck. Okay, this is also having a K sound longer. For a chick, they are having a K sound longer. C H I C K, chick, chick. The truck, T R U C K, truck. Lick, L I C K, lick. And this is tick, T I C K, tick. Is also having a k longer sound. S O C K, sock, sock. B R I C K, brick, brick. Next, S T I C K, stick, stick. Okay, next one, W I C K, wick, wick. R O C K, rock, rock. Okay, okay, so far in this exercise we haven't seen the ending word CK. If we add ending word CK, then it sounds like K. The ending word will be sounds like K, like truck, tick, brick, rock, stick. Okay, your ending word, the sound will be K, K sound, isn't it? When the word ends with CK, then the word ends sound will be a K. Okay, children? Okay, let's move to the next one.